Melt chocolate chips in the microwave. There are plenty of baked goods that require you to use melted chocolate. Melting chocolate, however, can be difficult since the chocolate will easily burn. Most recipes will ask you to melt the chocolate in double boilers, since these are gentler because of the action of water vapor. The microwave, however, is more convenient and can be equally safe for melting chocolate chips if you know how. Pour in the chips. Start by placing the chocolate chips in a small bowl that is microwavable. These microwavable bowls are usually reusable and are very inexpensive. You can buy these at Wal-Mart in large batches for several batches. Pour the amount of chocolate chips that is needed in the recipe. If you have never used the microwave for melting chocolate chips in the past, you may want to experiment first with smaller quantities. Make your own shavings. If you do not have chocolate chips available, however, you can also use chocolate bar shavings. There are cooking chocolate bars that are specifically made to be used as ingredients for pastries. These are usually sold in half-kilo and whole-kilo bars, and are very large. Use a grater to create small shavings that will easily melt. Or, you can also use a spoon to create chocolate shavings. Do this by pressing the bowl of the spoon onto the top of the chocolate bar and applying some pressure. Afterwards, rotate the spoon in a counterclockwise direction while making sure that the tip of the spoon is in contact with the surface of the chocolate bar. This will create shavings. Make as many as you need. Configuring your microwave. Once you have prepared the chocolate, place these in the microwave. You will need to configure your microwave to only half the power. Most microwave machines today have options that will allow you to configure the power or heating settings, which is useful when you are cooking very delicate food materials in the microwave. Simply turn the dial to half the full power, or type in the power settings if your microwave is digital. Timing the melting period. Next, turn on the microwave. Make sure that you do this for only 40 seconds or less. 40 seconds will work for the chocolate chips, but if you are using chocolate shavings, you should try 30 seconds first, since the shavings are much thinner and more fragile than chocolate chips, and will melt with more ease than the chocolate chips. Usage. Once the chocolate has molten, make sure that you remove it quickly from the microwave and place it on the dishes that require the molten chocolate. If you leave the chocolate in the microwave, it can burn, and if you do not use it immediately, the chocolate chips can harden and make it unusable for whatever recipes you are working on. You can create various chocolate-topped cakes, cupcakes, cookies and pastries with chocolate chip cookies that are melted in the microwave through these easy steps.